All right, so today we're going to be discussing the Think, Pair, Share model. This is a very common small group teaching model, and we'll see why in a moment. It's very easy to use. So here in our very low-tech diagram, we have our facilitator in blue with some kind of question or some kind of case, an opportunity for interaction in the presentation or the lecture that they're giving. I find Think Pair Share usually works best for groups of maybe 4 students or 4 learners to about 12. After 12, you can certainly use it. It just becomes a bit more hairy. In this particular case, we've got 8 learners, so this might be perfect for example, a postgraduate half day or a very small group of medical learners. And at this point, again, the facilitator has posed some kind of question, some kind of case, a diagnostic challenge, or workup, management, something like that. The first part of the Think, Pair, Share is think. So you're going to ask the students to think individually for maybe 30, 60 seconds and commit to an answer to the question. I like to have them write it down or, put their thoughts down somewhere, but it certainly can be mental as well, whatever works for you and your group. The next step is the pair. So depending on the size of the group, and you would pair the students off. In this example, you can see we have 8 students, so 4 groups of 2 works very nicely. You could have groups of 3 as well, that's fine, especially if you have odd numbers. You're going to ask the students to come to a consensus with each other, discuss what they've written down individually, debate, and then come up with an answer that, in the last part of the model, they're going to share with the rest of the class, with the facilitator as well, and present their answer. This allows for some back and forth between the facilitator and the small group of the students. Facilitator may wish to correct, the facilitator may wish to ask additional questions. But that, in a nutshell, is the Think, Pair, Share model.